the moment we met, y'all are gonna have to bear with me. I love this woman. A spark of hope grew within me. I know no other explanation for it other than for God to have had a direct hand in guiding us together.
There's something in my heart, feels like fire. And there's a yearning in the river, and it feels like home. And take me down to the water. I need time. Give me time.
It amazes me to think of all we have been through so far, and even more when I imagine the rest of my life together with you. I often thought about how the first man, Adam, how he felt being in the garden, surrounded by paradise, and yet alone. God himself declared it was not good for man to be alone, and I believe he has declared it so for me. Though I could have all this world has to offer, if I did not have your love that God has put in my life, I would be hollow and empty inside. So with God as my witness, with family and friends gathered around, I make my solemn vow to you. I vow to you to follow God's command to be the kind of husband he envisioned, to be your refuge and safe harbor in life, providing protection and comfort through all its seasons, to provide and care for you much as God watches over his church. I vow to set aside anger and frustration. Though it may assail us in life from time to time, it has no place in our marriage. I vow to seek the best for you as you are part of me. For woman was taken out of man, and we are one. I vow to personify love as described in 1 Corinthians 13. All these I vow to you, and pray that God gives me what is needed each day to keep my vow to you.
The old Shenandoah gonna keep me right and hold me like I was forgiven, and take me down and let the beachwood light. I need time. Give me time. Telling myself to keep good faith. There ain't much these days to celebrate. Pulling my hoodie over my face. I need time. Give me time.
My dear Jeb, from the very first moment I saw you, and you spoke in that wonderful accent for practice, I recognized that you and I would get along swimmingly. You had that exact same spark of creativity and chaos, and I hoped then and there that you would always be a part of my life as a friend. And now it is as more. From exotic fruits as gifts to wonderful books and fun cooking experiences, every day we've spent together has been an adventure. And I can't wait to see what our future holds. Where you go, I will follow. Be it to the bunkhouse or to Africa, you are becoming my home, my comfort, my peace, and now my rock for as long as we possibly can. I promise I will respect you. I will trust you and cherish you. I will do everything I can to cheer you up on the bad days, share the best of days, and to remind you about your stretches, and to brush your teeth after your midnight milk snacks. They say rain on a wedding day is good luck. I think we've got good luck to spare with all of this. Here's to the future adventures we have in store. I love you, my something better. It's happening. You got my tissue.
I got one. Going in the side.
We're prepared then.
I love you.
I love you too.
Gonna ruin your makeup.
Oh no, I've already done that. Poor Pauline. Through all this effort.
Red's the accent, right?
Are we ready for this?
Yes, I am.
Should anything like what you imagined?
Even better.
Something better?
Artist.
Take my name when I'm dead and gone, and throw my ashes in the river. Know that I lived my whole life long and gave all the love that I could have given. Oh, 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 oh,
Play something via speakers.
Oh,
Yes.
You did.
I have kept a secret
You
from
didn't.
you. I'm sorry. I did.
and try and make me cry more, aren't you?
I told you. All right, let's see if this plays. And if not, you'll be getting it a cappella. It It's our wedding day. You're the one I stay with now. I will take this from now on. Surrounded by love, married with joy, I will hold you, I will love you, I will want you, I will need you. Every moment we can steal. Never thought I'd get to say the words I say today. This will be my solemn vow for forever, starting now. It's our wedding day. I will choose you every way I can. Two will become one till our story's done. I will have you, I will hold you, I will love you, I will want you, I will need you. Every moment we can steal, 'cause it's our wedding day. I will love you every day, from now until forever. It's our wedding day. Not bad considering I cry.
Jeb, you may kiss your bride.
They've been together 58 years now.
It is my great privilege to introduce to you today for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Crummer.
He brought home 67 bucks a week. Bought a little 2-bedroom house on Maple Street, where she blessed him with 6 more mouths to feed. That's crazy. Just ask him how he did it. He'll say pull up a seat. It'll only take a minute to tell you everything. Be a best friend, tell the truth, and overuse I love you. Go to work, do your best, don't outsmart your common sense. Never let your brain get lazy, and love like crazy. They called him crazy when he quit his job. They said them home computers, boy, they'll never take off. Well, he sold his one-man shop to Microsoft, and they paid like crazy. Just ask him how he made it. He'll tell you faith and sweat, and the heart of a faithful woman who never let him forget. Be a best friend, tell the truth, and overuse I love you. Go to work, do your best, don't outsmart your common sense. Never let your praying knees get lazy. called them crazy when they started out. They've been together 58 years now. Ain't that crazy?
Tiptoed in a room, I know you got to have your rest. She says, come lay beside me. I've been waiting since you left. She's sweet to me, must be the luckiest man alive. Did I tell you, baby, you are the joy of my life? First time that I saw you, you took my breath away. Might not get to heaven, but I'll walk with the angels that day. She takes me by the hand. I am the luckiest man alive. Did I tell you, baby, you are the joy of my life? Some may have their riches, some may have the worldly fame. As long as I have you, I treasure each and every day. Just take me by the hand. I am the luckiest man alive.
Are we ready for this?
Yes, I am.